Nissan Qashqai 1.2 turbo timing chain. We've got the guides, oil pump tensioner, bottom crank pulley, cam gear, bottom crank, cog, timing the oil pump chain tensioner, and a couple of extra bolts that probably hold the oil pump tensioner on. Reason why the pictures are on the Mac is because I'm not quite sure yet how to upload all the images onto one video. We're still learning that. So as you can see, there's the full timing chain. You see the darker parts of the chain, which I'll show you here. This is here, so I've took pictures of it while I had it stripped. There's the new tensioner. Here's the guides. They're the guides there. So what I showed you in the box, there's one there. The darker links on the chain line up to dots on the cogs, as you can see, and there's a darker link with a little pin there. So that one lines up with that one. And here's your oil pump tensioner. That's a little spring loaded one, which has got like I'm pretty sure it's a 10mm or an 8mm bolt that holds that on. And then the spring sort of locates into this little hole here. So then it constantly spring loads itself like that. And what that does is it sits against the chain and holds tension on it. You do have another black link here, which is for the oil pump. This doesn't actually need timing. You'll see a little dot there, and you'll see another little dot there where my mouse is now. That doesn't actually matter. You don't need to time this oil pump chain up. The main thing is making sure you've got the black link there lined up to that dot on the bottom crank pulley, crankshaft, whatever you want to call it. It's the same thing, it's just it hasn't got a pulley on yet. And up the top there you'll see another black one link there, and that does have another dot on it there. I do have another couple of pictures I'll show you. So as you can see, there's a line here on the pulley there, and that black link will line up to that one. Now there's 3 black links, and they will only line up to the certain dots once it's all timed. You'll see that, so you know that's timed up. And then there's one more on the other pulley. This one has a little groove in it, this groove here. Now you've got one black link there that lines with that, one black link there that lines with that one, and then you've got, like I say, the other black links there and there. This one doesn't matter about being timed, this one does. So as long as you've got that one up there in that top corner that I showed you, and that one there, then you know you're basically all correct. This is, by the way, just a timing chain replacement. If the timing chain has slipped, you obviously will need to sort your valves out, see if anything's broken inside, further on. And then you've got, I think it's either 8mm or 10mm. I'm pretty sure that 8mm that hold this oil tensioner on. This is just an oil gallery one where it comes from the block, feeds into it, and then pushes it with compressed oil into the chain, pushes it into the guide, and the guide pushes against the chain, and that's what acts. This little red pin here, once there's all the timing marks are put in, you'll then pull this red pin out, and it should just pop out and off you go. So that's literally a Nissan Qashqai 1.2 timing setup. And as you can see, I have got a close up. You can see the little dot there on the bottom of the pulley, the black link. It doesn't matter about the bottom oil pump that I said about.